Morning ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris at Oz Canopies and 4x4 back again with another job for you guys. This time a aluminium canopy actually is going on this Triton. We're going to get a extended platform on it. We're going to get a tailgate central locking. We're going to get a tow bar. Today we're going to focus on the tailgate central locking and the tow bar portion of this particular job, and we're going to get right into it.
Scrolling on my phone, mind gets caught, lying to myself. I'm greener grass, dream another life, one that's not so hard. I can get lost down that dangerous road. I am not them. I do not know what they're really going through. There's a lot that I assume. Freedom I get from the work that I do. Thoughts that I choose, feelings I soothe, finding the mingle of ease, loving what is. Wouldn't it be grand if I settled in to love my life? What I have made foundation strong, built with bricks instead of straw. Gratitude, wiser have learned to nourish their own. Life is not in the escape, learning to embrace, happy or sad, all feelings will come. Doesn't matter what we have, grounding is key, finding an angle of peace, loving what is. Finally, I've learned not to fool myself. Loving what is. Finally, I've learned not to fool myself. Loving what is.
You're just a target in a room full of people trying to sell a dream. Got what you wanted, but money fade fast like a summer fling. Was it worth it? It paid your fees, flew overseas. It made you believe in stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it, forgot how to breathe. Now the weather's clear, my dear. Staring in your faces, dance with the mirror. Like it's zero, no one's got me thinking. Don't need a
Alrighty guys, so hopefully you enjoyed the fitment process on this BTA Towbar 3.5 ton towing capacity. Well, actually all of these tow bars are tested in well excess of its towing capacity. For this year model of Triton, the towing capacity is 3,100 kilograms. So we'll just come down, show you the process, show you what we've got actually. So you've got the 50mm removable hitch, tow ball, this and that. Pair D-links, this is all what comes included in the kit as well. And then also the 7-pin wiring harness for all your towing needs. Now, if you want to grab a tow bar for yourself, 0296278666, give us a call. We're located northwest Sydney, or you can just order one online on our site, ozcanopies.com.au. As a premier BTA and tag partner, we get the best pricing that we can for our customers. Delivery is available Australia-wide. Now, if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you've got any comments, leave some comments down below. Hit the notification bell, hit the subscribe button. Other than that, we'll see you guys on the next one.